everyone, this is Tony Dahl. So, yours truly, I will teach you how to assemble a copper mask version 2.0. Diba? New version siya. So, mas stylish siya, new, safer, and stylish. Yan yung sinasabing limited edition. So, make sure that when you buy copper mask, so obviously it should be sealed, okay? And everything is there and it will be intact. Okay, so if you notice yung pagkakakuha is reflecting the plastic, so you need to remove it. So if this copper mask, I got it from JC. So this is strong antimicrobial layer, helps kill 99% of germs, superior bacteria, exterminator effect, comfortable respiration, complete prevention of saliva droplets, helps prevent dermatitis and allergies, and harmless to humans. So, for sure, ma-enjoy nyo kasi breathable naman siya. Of course, so I have different color. So, nag-use ko na yung isang peach and yung dark green na kay Flavio. So, I'll use this, I'll assemble this too. However, I'll use this sample as the color of the day kasi trending ang green. Okay, so what I did, you can find any scissor na pwedeng mag-help sa'yo to remove the plastic. Okay. So, of course, mag-unbox tayo. Kailangan i-make sure na natin na paglabas is naka-ziplock siya and all this copper mask and labels na nasa loob para ma-sure kayo na original siya. Right? So, of course, unzip the ziplock and you can turn everything out. So, of course, you got the original copper mask and ito, we will use these stickers to seal and to design the mask. And, of course, ito yung manual nyo. So this will be your style and what is copper mask explain sa inyo. So, what is in the box? Ito na yan. So, ito yung mismong copper mask. Ito yung mga filter that you will have like 10 pieces. It's actually, you can use it pala. Siyempre, reusable siya kasi you can wash it. Okay? And don't forget our strings. Siyempre, yung para sa strap natin. So, itong strings na to, i-use natin later. Last na siya. So, for now, let's keep it aside and we'll just use first this copper mask. So, since naka-fold na siya, you need to make sure that this is properly aligned. Okay? So, of course, bear with me kasi kukunin natin yung sticker na pwedeng mag-seal sa copper mask. So, ito yung pang-seal na sticker. Make sure na naka-align ang inyong copper mask para sure na pantay na pantay. Okay? Yan, dapat hindi siya yung naglalampas-lampas. Hindi naman kailangan super perfect. But at least, you will know how it is naman. So, lagay nyo lang yung seal na what's this? Sticker. Siyempre, kailangan, ano yan, medyo with feelings. Okay. Then, you can close it like this. Okay. So, nakita nyo naman, na-seal naman siya ng maayos. This will help you na ano nyo yung design nyo ng copper mask. So, the same thing sa dulo. So, you notice, right? So, ito yung up, pag ganyan ang alignment, pag seal. And then, the other one, this bottom, kailangan i-seal nyo rin. So, kailangan align na align siya, ha? Okay? Make sure na nakapantay siya. Then, you can get another sticker para ma-close naman siya. So, you will know na half naman siya and align ulit sa kabilang side. So, nakikita nyo ba? Sensya na ha? Kasi hindi ko masyadong na-align sa camera pa lang. Masyado ako with feelings. Alright. Now, it's done. So, ganyan na itsura ng ating copper mask. Of course, the next step, you will get your filter. So, kung anong fill nyo, green or white. So, dahil mayroon naman akong mag-enjoy ka naman, I think I'll go for green. Sige, green tayo. Kasi nga, yun ang color for the day. Right? So, syempre, kailangan nyo magandang-maganda. Ganyan. So, ang gagawin nyo, you will insert the filter inside para mag-align dun sa copper mask. Make sure na mag-meet ang mga dulo sa dulo at mapo-fold itong dulo. The edge, okay? So, you need to fold it. This area. And then, from this point, voila! Nag-meet na yung hole at mag-meet din yung kabilang hole. So, it means, pwede nyo nang ipasok yung last step na string. Okay? So, ang last step naman dito is, sabi nila, you can use and enter here. Ganyan. So, napakadali lang niyang ipasok-pasok. Right. Yan. So, ito na yung effects niya. Ganyan-ganyanin mo. Depends sa length. It will depend on the length that you like para mai-strap mo siya. So, syempre, lagi mo siyang ipifix. And make sure align na naman yung other side. And, of course, ganun ulit yung gagawin mo sa kabilang side. Voila! This is done! Of course, don't forget yung talagang nagpapa-pav ng iyong mask. Okay? Alam mo kung ano yun? Stickers natin. Na original sticker niya is black. So, of course, you need to take out the sticker which tells you na original ang iyong copper mask. Okay? So, you can put here on this side, okay, to show that you're wearing the original copper mask. You will do the same on the other side. Okay? So, kailangan maganda yung pagkaka-stick nyo. Of course. Siyempre, hindi naman ang ganda. Kasi, you can always anyway remove it and then again put it back. Yan. Pag hindi nyo feel, you can always repeat and then find a good spot ng mask ng sticker nyo. Alright, fit na siya ulit. Kita nyo naman, di ba? So, I have the two stickers, but because we are using version 2.0, we can use a different design. See guys, o diba? Ang ganda-ganda na niya. So pag nasa face nyo na, ang cute-cute lang kasi may design ang iyong mask and at the same time, safe ka pa. So, what are you waiting for? Be the fashionable one, but practical one as well. Kasi magagamit nyo for many times kasi reusable to. Thank you for watching. Love, love. So guys, ito na yung finished product ko. I hope na ma-enjoy nyo and I like my design. Thank you.